Hello, my name is Lamin. Welcome to my third tutorial. In this tutorial, actually, it's a very familiar tutorial because I'm very sure that you have actually gone have experience about it, or have actually done it once, or have actually had a lot of you've done it many times. So I'm very sure you've come across it, and that is variables. So this is what I want to explain today. First of all, you have to know what is variable. So first of all, we have to know that a variable can be described as a container. So you can describe a variable as a container, but what you need to know is what does this container does. This container, stores information, info or data, and then what does it do with this data? It keeps it there. It keeps it there until the user needs it. Until the user needs it. And if the user needs it, then the user needs to retrieve the information. The information that is stored in the container. So so this is all about this is the definition, the correct definition of variable. So a variable is a container that stores an information or a data and keeps that information until the user retrieves that information and use it. So how do we put this in code? First of all, what is a variable? You know a variable. How do you write variables? If you remember JavaScript, you normally write variables like int, num, string, name, and you write double and all that thing. But the good thing about JavaScript is if you say var number, okay, and 12, it automatically knows that it's an integer. If you say var name, it automatically knows that it's a string. So how do you so let's do one example. Let's use a var and we call it here. Okay, this is a variable, but what does this variable do? This variable is creating a container, okay, and the container name is here, but this variable is not not beneficiable, or is not nothing there. It's just null. All right, so if we want to make something in this variable, what do? We can say there's many ways of saying. You can come straight and say here equals to 2012, or the best way is you say var here equals to 2012. That's the quickest way. The other way is people say, if you have five variables, you can say var, you got year, let's say year, var month, say var day. Let's just stop var day. So you've got all that. You don't want to leave it in 3 steps, so you want to write all in the same line. You can just say var year, then month, then day. Okay, but this is not the best way of doing it, because if you do this already, you need to initialize them, and the way to initialize them is either saying year equals to 2012 and going ahead with it. So the best way of doing this, the best sorry, my spelling is bad. The best way is var var year equals to 2012, comma, month equals to 2, second month, and then we have day equals to, let's make a day as a string, so we say Sunday. Okay, so this is it. So we have two integers and one string in the same line, right? So you just need to output. How do you output? If you remember, I told you something called console. Console.log, right? So in this console.log, we can do different ways. We can make a string. We say the year is, we close the string, we concatenate it, and we say year. This is only when you only need the year. So if you only need the year, if I run this, it's gonna say the year is 2012. But if we don't only need the 12, we concatenate it, we put another string, then we concatenate it, we put another string. In this string, in this second string, we say the month is, okay, the month is, then we bring the concatenation, we bring the concatenation, we bring the month, but we need to concatenate here. This concatenation is wrong. Concatenate here. Let me just bring this here so I can make it easier for all of us. So that's it, that's cool. So month, and we need a day now. So we will say the day, and or we say and today is, okay. So we put a concatenation here, and we say day. So what this should do is print the whole thing. It says an error, okay, and the good thing about this is it actually tells you if you have an error. Okay, so it's telling you that you got an error in the syntax. So it's the concatenation syntax that I have an error in. So if we get rid of that, we do it this way. Let's say yeah, right, we do that, we say month, then we say day. So from now on, if I play this before I do the concatenation, if let me clear this first. So if I play this, it gives you 2012 to Sunday. But we actually want to put something in it. We want to put some text in it. So let's put some text in, and we concatenate that. We say the is, all right. We concatenate that. We concatenate. We normally we concatenate this because we need a concatenation here too. We say we say the month is the month is, all right. We concatenate that. we close that, we concatenate that one, and the month is, we got the month, okay, then we need the day, so we got another concatenation here, and we got that, then we have a concatenation here, and then we have today is. So it should go normally if I don't make any mistakes. So it goes perfectly fine. So it says the year is 2012, the month is 2, that's the month is 2, that's February, that means it's February. And if I clear that out, let me make it neater. Sorry, yeah, make it neater. It's the year is 2012, the month is February, today is Sunday. So that's how to do how to work out variables and console it out. So thank you, and see you in my next lecture tutorial, where I'll be talking about conditions. Thank you.